Ever turn on your car's AC on a scorching day and get nothing but hot air? Don't rush to the mechanic just yet. In this video, I'll show you simple, at-home checks and quick fixes that solve most AC warm air problems. No fancy tools needed. After 50 years as a mechanic, I've seen people spend hundreds on repairs they could have avoided with a 5-minute fix. Don't be that person. I'm here to help you save your cash and take control of your car's AC. We'll cover the most common mistakes and the easy solutions you can do yourself. Stick around for the last tip. Most mechanics won't tell you about it, but it could save you big. Let's get started and turn that hot air into an ice-cold breeze. First step. Check your dashboard settings before touching anything under the hood. You'd be surprised how many people have their AC set wrong and think it's broken. Set your temperature dial all the way to the coldest setting, max AC or LO. Crank the fan to medium-high for strong airflow. Hit the recirculation button so you're cooling inside air, not hot air from outside. Make sure the airflow is set to the face vents, not defrost or floor. Let the car run for a few minutes and see if cold air starts blowing. If you suddenly feel cold air, congrats. You just fixed your AC for free. If not, don't worry. Modern cars have confusing controls, and it's easy to miss something. Always check the easy free stuff first before spending money. If you're still getting warm air, it's time to dig deeper. The next step is the most common AC problem, and you can probably fix it yourself. Stick with me and let's get your AC working. If your settings are right but the air's still warm, you're probably low on refrigerant. Refrigerant is the lifeblood of your AC. Without enough, you won't get cold air. Low refrigerant usually means a small leak, but a simple recharge can get you through the season. Buy an AC recharge kit with a gauge. Never add refrigerant blindly. Find the low-pressure port under the hood, usually marked with an L. With the engine running and AC on max, connect the gauge. If the gauge reads low, add refrigerant in short bursts, checking the gauge each time. Stop when the needle hits the green zone. Don't overfill. If the air gets cold, you're set. If it warms up again soon, you've got a bigger leak and need a pro. For most people, a careful recharge is all it takes to restore cold air and save hundreds. Still sweating? Let's check if your AC compressor is actually turning on. With the engine running and AC on max, pop the hood and find the compressor. Look for the clutch at the front. It should click and spin when the AC is on. If it's not engaging, don't panic. The most common cause is low refrigerant, which triggers a safety switch. Add refrigerant if needed and see if the clutch kicks in. If refrigerant is fine but the clutch still won't engage, check your fuses. Use your owner's manual to find the AC fuse, pull it, and replace if blown. Always use the same amperage fuse. If the new fuse blows right away, you've got a short. Time for a pro. Also, check the AC relay. Swap it with a similar one from another system, like the horn, to test. These simple checks solve most compressor issues and can save you a fortune. Don't let anyone sell you a new compressor until you've tried these steps. Here's a fix almost everyone overlooks: the cabin air filter. This small part can make a huge difference in your AC's performance. If it's clogged, your AC might be making cold air, but you'll barely feel it at the vents. Weak airflow or a musty smell, that's your clue. Most cabin filters are behind the glove box, no tools needed. Just open the glove box and you're halfway there. Drop the glove box, unclip the cover, and slide out the old filter. If it's black and full of debris, replace it with a new one. Just match the airflow arrow. The whole job takes 5 minutes and costs about $10. Pop in the new filter, close everything up, and enjoy a powerful blast of cold, clean air. For best results, change your cabin filter at least once a year, or more often if you drive in dusty areas. Next, check your AC condenser, the thin radiator in front of your car's main radiator. If it's clogged with bugs, leaves, or dirt, your AC can't get rid of heat and won't cool properly. You'll notice the AC works at highway speeds but gets warm in traffic. Look through the grill and inspect the condenser for debris. Clean it gently with a garden hose on a light spray. Never use a pressure washer. For stubborn grime, use a soft brush and soapy water, brushing in the direction of the fins. Be gentle. Bent fins block airflow. Once it's clean and you can see daylight through the fins, let it dry and test your AC. This free fix can make a huge difference, especially before summer hits. If everything else checks out but you still get warm air, your blend door might be stuck. This little door inside your dash mixes hot and cold air to set the temperature. If the actuator motor fails, it can get stuck on the heat side, even if your AC is working. Test it. Turn the heat on full, then switch to cold. Listen for a faint whir or click behind the dash. If nothing changes, or you hear loud clicking, the actuator's likely bad. Replacing it can be tough. It's buried in the dash and can be expensive. But try this free trick. Disconnect the battery for 15 minutes to reset the system. Reconnect, turn the key to on, don't start, and let the system recalibrate. If you're lucky, this resets the actuator and brings back your cold air. If not, you'll need a pro, but this trick is worth a shot. There you have it, 6 common AC problems and fixes you can do yourself. Start with the simplest solutions and work your way up. If this video saved you money, hit like, subscribe, and comment AC fixed below. I love hearing your success stories. Let me know what car you drive, and if your AC is cold now. Your feedback helps me make better videos for everyone. Thanks for watching. Drive safe and stay cool. See you in the next video.